Welcome to the heart of the operation. It all starts right here, where the golden wheat begins its incredible transformation into the spaghetti we love.
In the sun-kissed fields of Italy, the story of authentic spaghetti begins. Carefully milled durum wheat produces the finest semolina, the heart of every pasta.
Fresh eggs and semolina combine to create silky dough, ready for shaping.
The dough is rolled and extruded into round and long, golden strands, each strand crafted to perfection. Careful drying preserves the delicate texture and flavor of the spaghetti. Portioned and packaged with care, ready to reach kitchens around the world. In the hands of a chef, fresh spaghetti transforms into a culinary delight.
We're looking for plump, uniform kernels. See how the color deepens in the evening light? That indicates peak quality and readiness for harvest.
Built in the late 1800s, this flour mill represents the rich agricultural history of the region. Let's take a look inside. All right, everyone, this is where the journey truly begins. We're moving into the mixing area now, where the finest durum wheat is transformed into our signature dough.
Achieving the perfect pasta texture starts right here. We analyze the granulation and protein content.
As you can see, the dough travels along this state-of-the-art conveyor, ensuring perfect consistency before it reaches the next stage of the baking process.
And here we have the heart of the operation. They may be silent now, but soon these extruders will be working at full capacity.
The consistency is perfect now.
Agreed. I'll log the new flow rate setting immediately.
This device ensures perfect portion control every time, critical for maintaining our quality standards. Raw spaghetti demands slow drying. It's the only way to maintain the structural integrity and, crucially, the rich flavor profile of the wheat. Once extruded, the pasta enters this pre-drying phase. We carefully control the humidity here to lock in the flavor before it moves to the main drying bay.
And here we have the drying chamber itself. Notice the robust construction and this incredibly secure pressurized seal. It's a marvel of modern engineering. By utilizing a slow drying method, we maintain the structural integrity of the materials. This climate-controlled environment Welcome to the heart of the facility. As you can see, the automation here allows us to scale production while maintaining precise control over the drying process.
The baseline looks good on the HPLC. We are ready to proceed.
I have loaded the samples into the auto sampler, starting the sequence now.
As you can see, the cooling infrastructure here is state-of-the-art. We run diagnostics every hour to ensure peak performance and reliability. Welcome back. Today marks a significant milestone as we officially begin the packaging phase for the new product line.
We monitor the drying process meticulously before moving everything to quality control, ensuring perfect results every time.
Now that we've completed the assembly phase, we transition right over here to our state-of-the-art packaging line, ready for distribution.
Quality control is paramount. As you can see with this sample, we test the integrity of the tamper-evident seal to ensure maximum safety.
Trace verified.
Necesitamos más cajas aquí.
Ya vienen, sigan el ritmo.
After the packaging process is complete, it moves directly to our quality control station, ensuring every product meets the highest standards before it leaves the bay.
This is a final reminder that we are transitioning to the new distribution and showroom layout.